Hi everyone, this is Jeremy from Site Promotion Partners. In this video we are going to do a step-by-step install of Google Analytics on a website. Google Analytics will help you measure activity of your website and come to a better understanding of what your visitors are looking for. To sign up for Google Analytics, you'll need to have your Gmail account details. If you don't already have a Gmail account, just sign up at mail.google.com. And that'll take you through to the Gmail page, and all you need to do is go up and create an account. So you can fill out all these details yourself, blah blah blah, blah, and at the end that will give you a Gmail account. Okay, so once you have your Gmail account email address and password, go to google.com/analytics and click up here to create a new account. You just enter your email address, and sign in. I'll skip that. Alright, so you got 3 steps here. You sign up for Google Analytics, which is what we're doing now. You add the tracking code, which is something that we'll do a bit further on, and then once you've set all of this up, you can start learning about your audience. So sign up. Okay, on this next page we just want to click Classic Analytics to keep things simple for now. Go down to website name, testing, site promotion partners. Just put your own name in there, and the website URL, which is the address of your website that you will see up here. That's a URL of our current page. So put your home page here, testing.com, and your industry category. So you'll just need to select from the drop down menu what's the most relevant industry for you or your website, and the reporting time zone, which for me is Australia, and your time zone. Account name, my new account name, testing, but you can name it whatever you want. At this point I think we'll just keep everything ticked. But if you want to just read through all of these and figure out for yourself whether you want to do that, then that's fine, and get your tracking ID. Alright, terms of service, just click your country, Australia, accept. Alright, and we're signed up. So this is our property ID, the ID associated with your Google Analytics account, and the default URL for your website. And if we just come down a little bit, we have our tracking code. So we need to copy and paste it into the code of every page we want to track. And so we just select all, right click and copy, or Control C, and you need to go to your website, and the best place for your Google Analytics code to be placed is in the header of your website. This is the top part of your website, and it usually loads first, which makes your statistics more accurate. So to do that, we need to access the code of the website. And for WordPress, it's fairly easy. If you just go into WP admin, log into your dashboard, and come down the left hand navigation menu to Appearance, and then Editor, which will take you to the Edit Themes page. The Edit Themes page is made up of 2 areas. One is the coding area, and the other is the templates area, where all your files for your website are. So if you just come down to header.php, and click on it, and this takes you to your header page. Now the header is loaded on every page of a WordPress website. So if you paste your Google Analytics code in your header, then it should track all of the pages in your website. So if we just need to find the opening head tags and then just paste our Google Analytics code just after it. So copy and paste it into every page you want to track. So we have our code here, copy, come down to our head and give it a few spaces to make it look nice. Okay, on a clear line, just right click, paste, and there we are. That's our Google Analytics script right there. Okay, and we just come down to below the window here and update file. Okay, and that is pasting your Google Analytics code into the header of your website. Now just a quick note, if you're thinking about making substantial changes to your code, you should consider copying your original code into Notepad and storing it on your desktop so you have a copy in case things go wrong with your code editing. Notepad is a basic program that pretty much every Windows computer should have, and all you need to do before you make any changes to your code, just select all of the original code, copy, pull up Notepad, right click and paste, and it's all there. Save it, header, code, save it into desktop, and so you have a copy of that in case anything goes wrong with your coding. If your website breaks or anything, you can just go back to that file that's on your desktop and take that code out and put it back, and then update your file. Okay, now we have active Google Analytics tracking code on our website, and so if we just come through to reporting, we will come to our dashboard, my dashboard, and so in this area you should start to see results coming through, measurements, locations of visits, bounce rates, visit durations, etc., etc. That's your main dashboard. That's where most of your measurements will show up, and this is the place where you'll get most of your information about your visitors. So it's a very useful place to be once that information comes through. So that should take a couple of hours if you're getting visited regularly, and you can start to learn about the people that are visiting your website and making changes and streamlining and figuring out what works and what doesn't. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, make sure you post a comment or question underneath this blog post, and stay tuned for next time.